Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video on the basis of elements of accounts standard 11 part 1. Sorry, part 2. Not part 1, part 2. The second chapter, depreciation. The previous video, one complicated sum illustrations, not sum, illustration I solved it. Now page number 53 of 13. Page number 53 of question number illustration number 13. That is also more complicated compared to the previous one. Now previous video or the previous illustration, what I told or what you learned or what I taught, that let me complete it, or let me say once again. After that, what you are going to learn from this illustration, what is the difference? The previous illustration and this illustration, let you know. Previous illustration you had the two machines, machine 1 and machine 2. Machine 1 you purchase on 1/4/14 and machine 2 you purchase on 1/10/13. And after using few numbers of years, the first machine fully, 100% of the first machines that you sold it. Now you will get certain part of the machines. After using few numbers of years, you have not sold the 100% of machine 1 or machine 2. Certain part of the machines, which particular parts are not working, that particular parts you are going to sell. Sometimes it may happen that assembled machine, certain part is not working. So this particular part, if you replace, that machine can work properly according to as it is a new machines. Like that you will get the machines, and from this chapter you will get a complicated sum. You don't think that sum will come so easy. Certain part of certain percentage of the machines you sold either from the machine 1 or from the machine 2, like that questions you will get. That is illustration number 13 from page number 53. I am reading the questions. Everyone who follow the questions, the page 53 question, illustration number 13:1. Joyce Limited had purchased some machines on 1/4/12 for rupees 54,000. The installation expense for those machines was rupees 6,000. Company had purchased another machines on 1/10/14 for rupees 47,000 and installation expense was rupees 1,000. So you got the date. Date is 1/4/12, which is 54 plus 6 is equal to 60,000 for the first machine CP. And second machine you have purchased on 1/10/14, 1/10/13 नहीं, 1/10/14, मतलब थर्ड ईयर का बिगिनिंग में, मिडिल में, and which cost was 47 plus 1 is equal to 48. Company provide the depreciation every year under the state line method 10%. 40% of the machines first purchase you sold the first machine, but not all, not whole the machine you have not sold. 40% of the first machine you sold at 30% profits on its book value on 31/3/15, and they said to do prepare the machinery account up to 31/3/15 and show the accounting effect in the final account for every year. Every year final account they said in the books of the company. One year if you are able to do, the remaining years also you will be able to do. Now working how you do, I told that one M1 and M2 you will do separately working. This much space I want to take for the washing, and there M1 this much space I want to take, and M2 I want to take this much space, because here you see M2 and here you see M1. Again I want to make it a two part. One is called the 60%, another is called the 40%, and this is 100%. Do you understand what I said? From the beginning I want to make it a separate so that it will be easy for you. This is the total M1 and this is the total of M2. M1 60%. This is sold part. Sorry, 40%. 40% I think sold. 40% of the first machine. This is sold one. This is not sold. NS, not sold, and this is also not sold. Correct? Now data, you remember it. I think you once again you remember the data. 54 plus 6 is equal to 60. 1 4. So let me complete it here. 1 4 12. Together also you can do, but I think this is better. 60% of 60,000, that means 36,000, and CP, and this is date also same date here, so I am writing it here. The CP is 24,000. Got it or not? Machine 1 total CP is 54 plus 6 is equal to 60,000. Machine 1 total CP 54 plus 6 is equal to 60,000. Now 60,000, 60% is equal to 36,000, and 40% of 60,000, which is coming 24,000. 24 plus 36, it comes 60,000. Now depreciation of 31st 3/13, depreciation will charge 10%. Is not it? What is the percentage of the depreciation? 10% under the straight line method. 10% comes how much? 3,600, and this is also depreciation 2,400. Let me complete the first one, first message. After that we will go for the second message. Correct? This is 6 4 4 2 6, that is 32,000. That is the balance of 1 4 14 means 13. 1 4 13 balance. Here also same thing I am writing here, balance. How much? This is 4 6 3 और 4 21,600. First year work is over. Now when did you sell this first machine? 40%. You sold on 31st 3/15. So we have to go till 31st 3/15. So once again 31st 3/14 depreciation. How much? 3,600. Here also date, this date will come. The base is not there, for that I wrote it here. So depreciation, it comes 2,400. Now subtract it. This is 6 और 8 this is 2, 28,000. Just calculation, just you change it. This is the balance of 1 4 14 balance, and here also you will get the balance minus karo. This is 2, this is 2 और 9 19,200. Next, here you are getting on 31st 3/15 again depreciation 3,600. Correct? And you will get it here. This is 200, and this is 3 5 25,200, and this is the balance of 1 4 15. And here depreciation 2,400. If you deduct 4 8 3 16,800, this is called book value. On which date? 31st 3/15. 31st 3/15 you are getting the book value, which is coming 16,800, and you got the profit. 40% of machine of the first machine was sold at 30% profit. This machine sold, so plus P 30%. 30% मतलब कितना होगा? 1680 into 3. 3 0 3 0 3 4 2 3 4 18 20 0 18 2 3 3 5 5040. 5040. 5040. You add it. If you add, this will get 840. Add 8,800. This is bank. And this is your sold machines. And this is book value which is carry on. I will explain once again. Let me check it whether I have done correct or wrong. 21,840 correct only. And this balance you will get 25,200. I think so it is correct only. Okay. Now let me check the machine 2. Now machine 2 we have purchased on 11014. 11014. See 11014 after this first year it is not coming. Second year 11014 also it is not coming. Third year 11014 is coming. 11014 your CP of the second machine it was how much? 47 plus 1 48 and 31st 315 charge of depreciation 10%. 10% comes how much? 4,800. लेकिन only getting 2,000 4,800 2,400 half. So it is coming 4,600 at 3 and 5. This is 1,415 values. Working most important. एक बार आपको वर्किंग हो गया मतलब 90% of the machinery account you have completed. But while you will do the working that time, very carefully you will do the subtractions. Sometimes there is a mistake for the whenever we are deducting, subtracting minus depreciation whenever you are doing. Once again you look at the board for the working. Here machine 1 which CP was 60,000, that is 36 plus 24. I made it for 60% and 40% from the beginning because this is sold part, this is not sold part. NS means not sold. Now 6,000 depreciation will come. See 3,600 plus 2,400. If you add, you will get 6,000 depreciation. So the first machine 60%, which is CP is this. Depreciation 3,600. Balance comes 32,400. Second year 3,600. Balance comes 28,800. Third year 3,600. Balance comes 24,200. एक बार माइनस चेक कर लेते हैं. 4,400 1 4 2 6 32,400 1 4 28,800. This is 200. This is 500. Correct. 25,200. This is the 40% of the first machines. First year depreciation, second year depreciation, third year depreciation. This is book value, the machine which you sold. 40% of the first machine on 31st 315. 31st 315 में आपने जो बेचा उसको book value 16,800. प्रॉफिट ऐड हुआ 5,040, which is 30% of 16,800, and bank you got. This is NK Bank, which is 21%. 40. Second machine, first year it was not there, second year it was not there, third year in the middle it was coming, 1,410 it is coming middle of the third year, and depreciation 10%, which comes 4,800, and it is for 6 months, so it comes 2,400, which is 45,600 is the balance. Now we will do the what? Machinery account. Machinery account what we will do, that can keep in mind that all these machines, machine 1 and machine 2, we will do together. This is machinery account. How I am doing, look at the board. 1, 4, 12. 2 bank, 2 cash. I remember it. Is not it? 60 54 plus 6. Is not it? This is 60. and 31st 3/13 by depreciation. How much? 6,000. Because this plus this is 6,000. So it comes 54,000. Which is here 54, and this is the balance by balance CD. And you write it here 1/4/13 to balance BD. How much? 54,000. Correct? Okay. Now next year. Next year also second machine was not there. So here also charge is 31st 3/14 by depreciation. This is only M1. यहाँ भी M1 वो भी 6,000 और यहाँ से 54 और ये भी 54 से 6 माइनस करो तो कितना हुआ 48 है तुमसे और 40 से तो बाय बैलेंस शीट. Now come to the next year 1/4/14 to balance BD. Third one is little complicated, that you keep in mind. 48,000. Now one by one we will do. First we will charge the depreciation of 31st 3/15 by depreciation. Here M1 and M2 are separated there. And M1 you are giving depreciation 6,000. And M2 2,400. This is M2. So you are getting 8,400 depreciation. सब डेप्रिसिएशन आ गया. अभी प्रॉफिट, इसका प्रॉफिट 5040 तो कब आएगा 31st 3/15 to profit and loss. How much? 5040. And the machine was sold by bank. कौन सा? इसका 21,840. Correct? So this is the depreciation for all two machines. That is 60% of the first machine plus 40% of the first machines plus second machines. And this is the selling price. Bank, you got it. Now you should have the balance, that is 25,200 of 60% का and 45,600. 45,600 आपको ये बैलेंस होना चाहिए. देख लेते हैं. This is for at 70,800. Let me check if the things whatever I have done is correct or wrong. 48 plus 47,000. हाँ, मशीन परचेस किया था वो मैंने भूल गया था लिखने के लिए. ओके, वन थिंग आई हैव फॉरगॉटन, लेट मी राइट इट. दिस इज प्रॉफिट व्हिच आई सोल्ड बिफोर दैट second machine when you purchase, that I have forgotten to write it. That is 11014 2 bank or 2 cash. Second machine which you purchase, that I have forgotten to write it. 47 and 1,000. Next is coming 31st 3/15 2 profit and loss account, that is 5040. Now let me check it. 48,000, 47,000, 1,000, 5040. This is 8,400, 21,000 and 17,800. Correct. This I have forgotten to write this one. Now if you add, you will get the total 1,01,040, 1,01,040, 1,01,040. That is correct now. 1,01,040. 101040. 101040. And you will get the balance by balance CD, which is coming 70,800. And here you write the 1,415 to balance BD of 70,800. This is the answer. Once again, I want to repeat this one and you try to follow it. 56, 45. This is working of M1 60%, 40% and M2 100%. This is machinery account which I have completed. First year, first machine, purchased, bank, cash, cost price of the machines, purchase price of the machines, installation charge, depreciation, balance carry forward. Second year depreciation 6,000, balance carry forward. Third year, this which I have forgotten to write, that is second machine I have purchased M2. This is M2 and this is also M2. 48 is the opening balance of the first machine. 47 plus 1, 48 is the purchase price of that second machine. This is profit. This is depreciation. This is sold and this is the balance. Balance you will get. This is closed. And this machine's balance and this machine's balance, this 45,600 and 45,200, which is coming 70,800. That is your answer. Matlab 60% of the first machine balance it will be as it is, that machine you have not sold, and 100% of the second machines that also you have not sold, that it will be as it is. Now we will do the effect in the final account. Effect in the final account number. This is profit and loss account and this is balance sheet. First year profit and loss account you will write it here for profit and loss account debit to depreciation. First year 6,000. बराबर ना? और फर्स्ट ईयर का मशीन यहाँ क्या था, हाउ मच 60 और लेस डेप्रिसिएशन कितना 6,000. सो बैलेंस आ गया 54. बस फर्स्ट ईयर ये होगा. ना सेकेंड ईयर अगेन टू डेप्रिसिएशन over. Third year, to depreciation. This is all M1 and this is M1 और M2. M1 में कितना था? M1 में था 6,000. M2 का था 2,400, 8,400. हो गया. अभी इसका ये फर्स्ट ईयर, दिस इज फर्स्ट ईयर, दिस इज सेकेंड ईयर, दिस इज थर्ड ईयर. सेकेंड ईयर बैलेंस मशीन अकाउंट कितना था 54 और डेप्रिसिएशन कितना चार्ज किया 6,000. करेक्ट. So you get 48. Now third year. Balance. Machine कितना था 48 plus 48. Second machine आ गया 96 और डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज कितना क्या 8,400. So how much you get 8,400 will be done. This is 00 4 और 6,17 1 9 8 7,17 1 78,600. 88 88 87,600. Let me check it. Okay. Third year I have done some little mistakes. There something I mistakes I have done. Then let me complete it. That is 48,000 was the correct for the second year. Third year it is 48,000 or a for 48,000. These are M1 and this is M2. Now you are getting 96,000. Out of that 40% machine you sold, that I have forgotten to figure, which is coming 16,800. And you are getting 79,200. And after that depreciation, which is coming 8,400, and you will get 70,800. Yes, 70,800 was the balance after using the machine in the third year. That is the most important. First machine 1 का balance, this is machine to purchase, total 96,000. 16,800 में आपने मशीन बेचा था और आपका बैलेंस था 79,200. उसको अंदर 8,400 आपने डेप्रिसिएशन डिडक्ट किया. दिस इज डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर M1 plus M2. So you are getting 70,800. Most important sums, you try to follow it. Once if you watch this video, it will not be enough for you. At least 2 times you watch the video and you will get the full idea. On the basis of that, you will be able to do that one. Next, 1 or 2 more questions from your exercise, and after that, few questions, extra questions from my own sum I will give you for making practice at your home. Hope you are understanding. As I am telling at the end of every video, same thing I want to repeat. If you do not understand any place, you can tell me at any time. Okay? Bye. All the best.